Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Joyce here, and in today's video I'm going to explain to you what is high ticket affiliate marketing and how does it work. And don't worry, I'll explain to you in super simple terms. I actually explained that to my 75-year-old grandma and she told me she understood it, and that's why I know you will understand it too.
Let's see.
Also, I will recommend to you a few high ticket programs that you can choose from to promote ads from today, and I will also allow you to copy what I am already doing. So watch this video till the end and pay close attention to what I will be showing you. Now guys, before you think that high ticket affiliate marketing is about telling strangers you meet, hey, buy this $10,000 product and spam them everywhere they go, which might get you a reaction like this.
Are you crazy?
You need to first know what affiliate marketing is all about. I have created a series of affiliate marketing training in my channel that you can binge watch and learn from. But in short, affiliate marketing is simply you partnering with companies or individual and ethically driving people, also known as traffic, to their product through a special link called a affiliate link. And when they buy, you are paid a percentage of that sales, also known as affiliate commission. As easy and simple as that. The reason why affiliate marketing is a lucrative business model is because you don't have to pay for labor to create your product. You don't have to pay for any inventory. You don't have to take care of any customer fulfillment or any customer support. You don't even have to handle any sales process. All of that is taken care of the company or by the person you partnered with. And all you got to focus on is marketing. Now, there are many products you can market on the internet, such as Amazon products, Nike products, which are physical products. And there are also digital products, such as courses, software, also someone's services or coaching. You can also promote events, you name it. You can partner up with brands, companies, and people and promote their businesses and products and earn a share of the sale. Now, why choose high ticket over low ticket affiliate products? Guys, by any means, I'm not saying low ticket products are not good. They're good, and even I do it. But there's a strategy to do it and things to do to consider before promoting a low ticket. Let me give you guys a few examples. Consider a product that costs $10 that pays an affiliate commission of 50%, and whenever someone will buy the product through you, this means you will be paid $5. Imagine how many search products should you sell to make $500. The answer is you need to make 100 sales. Now imagine if you had to make $1,000. That would be 200 sales from you. No wonder there are over 90% of affiliate marketers who are failing in affiliate marketing and not even making $1,000 a year. And if you ask me why, to elaborate more, because they are focusing on selling low ticket affiliate products and they are focusing only on that. But if instead of a low ticket product, you would sell a $500 product with the same amount of commission, which is 50%. So per sale, you'd be making $250, and to make $1,000, you would only require 4 sales of that particular product. And now guys, imagine a product that allows you to get $1,000 as affiliate commission per sale. One sale is all you need to make $1,000. But imagine if you make 10 sales of that product. That would be making you $10,000. And this is what I aim to make in a month. And guys, many people will give you their definition of what a high ticket affiliate product is, but my definition is any product that pays you $1,000 or more in affiliate commission is known as high ticket affiliate product. Now, how to choose your high ticket affiliate product? Well, like I mentioned before, there are physical products you can promote as well as digital products and services. And what I recommend is to promote digital products over physical products. If we look at Amazon, which is the #1 physical product seller today, the highest percentage of affiliate commission is 20%, and they are games, while the second highest is 10%, and they are luxury stores, beauty, and Amazon Explore. But if we choose to promote digital products, we can get 40%, 50%, 75%, or even 100% of affiliate commissions. The reason for getting high commission in digital products compared to physical products is low overhead cost. Digital products are created only once, while physical products need to be created over and over again as sale is required. Now, how to promote high-ticket affiliate products? Before I made high-ticket affiliate marketing part of my business, I was always skeptical if I'd even make a sale. I always was telling myself that people will never buy high-ticket products And all of that was simply my false beliefs, because the amount of effort I was putting in to promote low ticket products was the same amount of effort I used to make my first high ticket sale ever. When I experienced that, my mindset changed and I realized many things which I will tell you in a few moments. But before that, guys, if you are getting value from this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I noticed a huge percentage of you guys who watch my video are not subscribed. So do that and let's continue. Okay, the key to selling high ticket affiliate products is to sell to people who are able to buy and willing to buy. You can't do business with people who are willing to buy but cannot buy, and vice versa. You won't be able to bring in cash flow and your business will crumble and die out. So first thing you need to do is find the people who are willing and able to buy the high ticket product you're promoting. But how to find those people? Guys, it's not about giving flyers to a mass of people and expect those who are interested in what you're promoting and expecting a sale. No. As a marketer, you need to attract specific people to you instead of you chasing them. For that, we will create content that help solve a particular problem that people in our niche are having. And it's really important to know who we are marketing to, because we will be entering into the conversation they are already having inside their minds and answer any questions, insecurities, and doubts they have through our content. You see, our content will channel the people who will resonate with the high ticket products we will be promoting or marketing. Okay, these contents can be in form of short video like TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts, or contents in social media such as Facebook posts or videos, or Instagram pictures, or content in search engines such as blogs or YouTube videos. And guys, in my opinion, YouTube is the best way one can help solve other people's problems and help them through their videos. An example is this video you're watching. Another way is to build a community. Examples can be Facebook groups or a Discord channel or Telegram group. And in that community, you have to provide value such as tips or training and enter in a conversation with your followers to see if your high ticket affiliate offer is a good fit for them or not.
But why?
Many will try to sell, and sell, but a good affiliate diagnoses first. That's why you talk with them. And like I always say, it's not about you, but it's about them. It's always about them. If you see that they are not a good fit for that product you're promoting, kindly tell them they are not a good fit and move on. But if they are a good fit, then guide them through and tell them how to proceed with the purchase and how you can help them further. And guys, most of the time, people will say no to you because they need time to process if what they will be investing on is something that will help them reach to their goals or not. So if they happen to say no to you, don't be desperate to sell to them. Let them be and move on to someone else who you know your high ticket affiliate products can help. Now, of course, before you choose to promote any high ticket affiliate product, it is important for you to buy it and go through it for you to know and understand who will be a good fit for it and who won't, and what's the high ticket all about. Now, another reason you need to buy what you're promoting is to attract people like you. Now, just imagine this: if you are a freebie seeker or a tire kicker, you would be attracting the same group of people, the same category of people who are similar to you. Now, what are the types of high ticket affiliate marketing product you can promote? Okay guys, from my 3 years experience of doing affiliate marketing, I have come across mainly 3 types of high ticket affiliate products. The first type starts directly with a high ticket or a price of $1,000 or $2,000 or even more, and you mostly get 30% to 50% commission. And this type of high ticket product can be promoted to people who already know you, like you, and trust you. The second type is a ladder type high ticket affiliate program. This type usually starts with a low ticket product at first, over delivers value up front, and present people with other products that has varying prices. And in the back end, there is one high ticket product or a series of high ticket products, and this is where you actually make your high ticket affiliate commission. And the third and last one is a direct pay high ticket product. The other 2 I just mentioned has a delay of paying their affiliates because of a money guarantee for a period of time they hold. But with the third type, you are paid directly and there are no refunds for the buyers. The high tickets I have promoted the most are the first 2 types, which are the traditional ones and the ladder type high ticket. The way I do it is I always present a low ticket in the front end. And since I have built an ecosystem of affiliate products in my backend system, I promote other traditional high ticket affiliate products too. Now, where to find these high ticket products? You can look for them in affiliate networks such as ClickBank or Warrior Plus, or get into contact with individuals who build a proven to work digital product that give you a good affiliate commission and a good affiliate service, such as promotional pictures, emails, funnels, and so on. Let me give you a few examples of high ticket affiliate products you can promote, and I will tell you what exactly I will recommend you to get started with. So let's start with the traditional ones. The first traditional high ticket is the funnel hacking secrets. This is all about building your online business with funnels, and this product actually has many gifts in disguise, and it's a good product. The next is what gurus like Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi have created. The high ticket product, initially known as Knowledge Broker Blueprint, is now known as Project Next. Time to Thrive, I guess this is what they call it. This product mainly focuses in helping people sell their knowledge online. And guys, there are many high ticket affiliate products like this, and you can find them in communities such as ClickFunnels, Builderall, System, or GrooveFunnel Facebook group. All you have to do is simply ask who is providing high ticket affiliate program in your preferred niche. Moving on with the examples of ladder high ticket affiliate programs. And this is what I will recommend you to get started with. And it is my number one recommendation. And it's the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. This challenge actually costs $7 to get started with. And since it's a ladder, you will be presented with other products that cost $37, $47, and finally $97. After you go through this course, you will get value and you will be presented with a high ticket product. And for now, the high ticket product is actually $497. Now, as an affiliate, if you go through the challenge only and you choose to promote the challenge, you will be getting only 50% on all products. And if you get the high ticket product, not only will you be getting 75% of affiliate commission on all products, you can also apply to get 100% on all the $7, $37, $47, and $97 product. This is one of the reasons this program is my number one recommendation and what I recommend anyone interested in high ticket to get started with. The high ticket program also focuses on helping you build an ecosystem of products that you can promote and helps in building your brand as a leader and authority in the market you will be choosing to be in, as well as build and grow your traffic source like YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok, and so on. The second ladder high ticket affiliate product I will recommend to you is the 15-day business builder challenge. This costs $7, and they also have other products that vary in prices, and 3 high ticket products costing, the first one costing $2,500. And in this one, guys, you will be getting 40% commission, which is $1,000. And then the other 2 are $4,500 and $9,500 respectively. And with both of them, you will get 30% affiliate commission, which will be $1,350 and $2,850 respectively. These high ticket affiliate products focus on helping someone start their own online business with the right marketing skills and foundation. Again, what I recommend is to start with a ladder high ticket affiliate marketing program, which is the 3-day challenge, and get into the high ticket product and market it and make high ticket affiliate commissions. Now, I left 2 links below as my number 1 and number 2 recommendation. And if you choose to proceed with any links below, I am giving away my funnels, which consist of my high converting opt-in page, my lead magnet page, my bridge page and bridge script, my bonus page, my email campaigns, and email automation to qualify quality leads and keep your list clean, and the automations that convert the leads into buyers. I will also be giving you the list of products I'm promoting and the other campaigns, that is email campaigns I'm using and I will be using in the future. I will also be providing support and get on a call with you for a 1 hour when you're ready and give you a custom plan for you to take action and to start seeing results. This is how I separate myself from other affiliates promoting high ticket affiliate products and how I'm helping others to do the same. So get started with one of the links below and you will be getting everything you need through emails. So guys, I hope this video gave you value, and if it did, make sure to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because you would not want to miss any of my upcoming videos that I will be posting to help you make money and grow your online business. And before I forget, you can watch the video that will appear next to know more about the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. This is Joyce Meettoo signing out. Take care. See you on my next video. Bye bye.